Argentina. The process to normalize the energy sector is well advanced and keep unfolding. We reached a preliminary agreement with the Argentinian government to settle past liabilities and demand on both sides. The parties involved have accepted the details of the agreement, and we have received a formal commitment from the Secretary of Energy to finalize the agreement. If we look at our distribution business, its tariff is almost entirely normalized. There is a remaining increase of 8% in the value added of distribution that we expect in August 2018, but was postponed to February 2019. The growing inflation in the country should not treat our remuneration, since it is recognized at least twice a year in the periodic revision of the tariffs. If we look at our generation business, its remuneration is dollarized and was not affected by the recent macroeconomic turbulence. We expect a new step in the process of gradually opening the market in the first quarter of 2019, with the liberalization of gas supply for power generators. If this happens, we are ready to capture potential opportunities to create value. Brazil is currently moving first steps in leveraging the actionable framework to accelerate the path towards smart meters and smart grids. The regulator is studying measures to increase the speed of penetration of smart metering and to accelerate the deployment of grid-edge technologies to provide customers with the benefit technologies provide. Chile, with the distribution and an extraordinary tariff decree, has been recently approved. It provides the resources to comply with the new technical and commercial standards and to speed up the massive rollout of smart meters, laying the foundation of the country's network digitalization and placing Chile at the forefront in Latin America.
There is a huge opportunity to seize in the public transportation sector too. In this framework, what we aim to replicate is the best practice experience in Chile, where thanks to the government commitment to replace part of the bus fleet of Santiago with emission-free buses, we will provide 100 e-buses in the city, and we will soon replicate similar projects also in other geographies.
In generation, the regulatory framework foresees future development through long-term supply tenders. These tenders have allowed the development of renewable projects at very competitive prices. Currently, the government and the regulator are working on the development of the system's flexibility and ancillary service market, recognizing how flexibility is crucial in the current low-carbon generation segment, driven by falling cost of renewable. Colombia. The opportunity from grid-edge technologies lies mostly in accelerating the progress along the lines already laid out by the government. Peru. In the distribution segment, a tariff review is currently underway. We already have a tariff proposal from the regulator, and we are expecting a definitive result by the end of December.